Hello, my friends. Good morning on this fine Saturday morning. Let's do it. I have came with an agenda today. Um, I wanted to try Vapi AI for so long, and I was just not getting the chance to do that. I was not just able to prioritize it. Now I thought, let's do it together, and um, let's try to create an AI voice agent. So consider it as your AI, uh, your personal AI HR that will call the candidates who have applied jobs and kind of pre-screen them. Let's try to create it. We have about an hour. Let's see uh, how far we can go with it. But it will be 100% um, no code. I just want to make sure that this thing we do, I want to show you that you can create AI agents with 100% no code. And for that, we'll be using Vapi.AI, that is our AI voice agent. Um, Specifically for developers, but we are good. We'll use N10 or Make. We'll just take a decision on the go. So let's do it. Let's do it. Um, Let me quickly share my screen. Okay, awesome. So let's first try to understand WAPI AI, and then let's see if N10 has a node, N10 has a node for WAPI AI, and similarly with Make.com. Do they have? So, mm, so just to let you know, I've never logged into this platform, this WAPI AI. I've heard about it. I've watched videos. I've I've seen it a lot. It's pretty much should be direct. Yeah, it should be a direct API call you can do, and um, just mention what the AI need to talk about, and AI will call the end user and will talk about it and will give you the summary. Let's just hope so. Um, Feels human, moves the needle, receive call, use tool, and conditions. There are so many integrations. Okay. Try minutes, deploy in days, choose your workflow, plug it in done. Flexible for engineers, easy for business users. Yeah. It is multilingual, which is good. Uh, they have AI guardrails as well. Okay, let's start exploring it. Let's see. And let's see pricing. It's like we get, I think, starts with $10 free. So let's quickly do it. Yeah, meanwhile, let's see if they have uh, integrates with Vapi. I think I'll just choose Make for the simplicity. Uh, Nope, anytime do not have. But in any case, you can kind of connect anything using webhook with N10. But just for the simplicity of things, let's hope Make.com too has a node for Vapi. Oh, there it is. Vapi. Let's see if it's the same Vapi. Yeah, awesome. Let's do it. There's this documentation. I'll get rid of N10, and this is Vapi dashboard. And okay, this this is the documentation. Okay, let's log into make.com as well. Yeah. Okay, let's yeah, let's quickly log in to Vapi.AI and let's see what's in the box. Where did you hear about us? Can say LinkedIn. Oh, it's not clickable. What's this? I'll just refresh. It is now. Oh, to change the sequence. Okay, can say LinkedIn. Developer first or business. So I am a developer. I am a API first user, but just for the sake of this trial and this demo, let's click on business user. Uh, Next, what are you using WAPI for? Just let's say startup. Let's say that. Okay, what's in there? Uh, we need to fetch the WAPI documentation as well, just to make sure we are on the we're doing the right thing, and and if required, we'll use ChatGPT as well to just make sure we are doing the right thing. Um, okay, what do they have? Assistants, tools, phone numbers, voice library, API. Okay, do they have a real quick start? Yeah, create an assistant, attach a phone number, make inbound or a WAPI account and API key, dashboard, TypeScript. Okay, create an assistant. This is how we create an assistant. Okay, that's good. Yeah, yeah. Uh, Go to the WAPI dashboard, assistants, create assistant. Okay, so we need to create an assistant. Differently a phone. Okay, publish and test. Then we need to add a phone number, create phone number, assign your assistant. Okay, that's good. That's good. I mean, we can configure a lot of things. We can fine tune our model. We can fine tune. We can connect it with 11 labs. Can do so many things. But let's keep it simple. I'll go to assistants. And okay, so they have already created a default assistant for us. So this is let's go through this default assistant and then let's talk about our use case. A provider, OpenAI, GPT-4 or cluster. Okay. Assistant speaks first. Assistant waits for the user, or assistant speaks first and with model generated message. Okay, that's good. Thank you for calling Wellness Partners. This is a relay. Your scheduling assistant. How may I help you today? Okay. This is the first message that uh, our our virtual AI or AI will talk about. This is a system prompt. Appointment, scheduling agent prompt. You are in relay voice and person. Okay, so this prompt is to explain our assistant relay um, to what you are, what's your role. Speech characteristics, use clear, concise language. So we'll just copy few things from here. And conversation flow, scheduling process, confirm selection, scenario handling for new patient. Okay, that's good. Knowledge base, appointment types, files. What is this? Okay, so maybe um, kind of give a little bit of knowledge base to this agent. Max tokens 250, temperature 0.5. This is the maximum number of tokens that a system will allow to generate in each turn of yeah, that's good. I was thinking 240 for the whole call. That's too low. Voice configuration, WAPI and Elliot. Okay, so they have these voice types based on age, male, female, then ethnicity and kind of characteristics. That's good. Digital configuration, transcriber, deepgram. Don't care much about what tools do they have. Oh, they didn't give calendar tool. I think they just uh, this was just an example, so they didn't do much about it here. There's a lot they can do. Okay, let's create an assistant, and I'll just duplicate this so that I can refer this system prompt. Hmm, create assistant. Choose a template. Okay. Oh, they do have templates. Let's see if they have. Uh, any relevant template, customer support specialist, lead qualification, appointment scheduler, info collector, care coordinator, a compassionate template for scheduling medical appointments, answering health questions, and coordinating patient services with HIPAA compliance, feedback gatherer, info collector, a methodical template for gathering accurate and complete information from customers while ensuring data. Uh, so we want to screen our candidates mm, based on uh, based on the job description provided. Okay, we want to talk. We actually want to gather information only. We will talk about their availability to work full time or part time, and then we'll talk about few stuff related to the role description. It will collect the information. I think it will collect the information. Let's see. Otherwise, we'll just kind of delete it. Jamie. Okay, we can keep Jamie. Okay, AI for a cluster. Let's keep it default. Hello, this is Jamie for Secure Connect. I'm calling to help you complete your application. This call is recording. Okay, your Jamie data collection voice assistant for secure connection. Primary purpose is to gather accurate and complete information from customers. Okay, clear purpose. Today I need to collect information for you. Okay. Okay, let's maybe we can just change this as per our requirements. That's not an issue. Mm, we'll keep it default. Voice integration, we'll keep it default. Who is Elliot? Let's see. So what are the characteristics of Elliot? Mm, 25 years old, male, Canadian, soothing, friendly, professional. That's good. Uh, and then transcriber. This section allows you to configure the transcription settings for the assistant. That's fine. Tools, summary, show data, privacy, start speaking plan. There's a lot here. Let's just quickly just get, change this. Let's use ChatGPT to kind of uh, use this, change this. Or we can just get away with this one. I'll actually give both of them and let AI decide. But but I want to write about I am creating an AI HR for uh, to take screening interview on behalf of me. I will share the mobile number of the and candidate and the AI voice agent on will call and gather information. Will call, explain about the role, and gather information for pre-screening. In return, let's see if they are able to do this. In return, hmm, AI agent will give me the summary and scoring. We can say scoring and give scoring for the AI agent will give me the summary and scoring for the interview. Write a system prompt for this purpose, which I will use in Vapi.AI. I have uh, I have given I am giving two examples of a Vapi AI agent system prompt. below, make sure to create a system prompt for my purpose. Okay, let's see. Example one, example two. Mm, we gave the another one, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's see, and then we'll kind of fine tune our for our purpose. Let's see. Amol Rajput is saying was the best app to clear interview. So I'm not sure what kind of interview you are talking about and what do you mean by best app. Yeah, just maybe clarify your question. That will help me. And yeah, okay. AI phone screening agent, system prompt, system variables available at runtime, fill at call time. Okay. Required summary format. I don't know if even Vapi will be able to understand this, but let's try it. Okay. You are Eva, an AI voice screening agent representing your primary purpose is to place an outbound call to introducing the role. How do they define the phone number? Or I think they just don't do that. Are there any? No. Uh, do not receive any private knowledge beyond the runtime. Whenever the call asks for confidential communication, you don't have voice and persona, privacy and consent. Immediately after greeting, confirm identity and obtain consent to continue. Okay, that's fine. Quick intro. Identify and logistics. Confirm full name, prefer name without sponsorship. Okay, that's good. These are some of the example questions we generally do in the pre-screening role fit and experience. Let's ask it. Rewrite the above, or we can just keep the JD separately. I'm not sure. I think we can keep the JD separately. Let's quickly search in here. Files in Vapi agent. What is a file in Vapi agent? Most likely it is to give some sort of knowledge base to it. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll keep on reading it. Why are you interested in this role? Okay. Handling edge cases or scoring rubrics. There it is. Output required summary format. Okay, let's see. Keep each question concise. As example, short script use verbatim where appropriate. Final notes for the agent. Okay, let's do it. Or you want to wait for this answer? Wait. Nope, didn't didn't explain me well. Um, I'm asking about files in Vapi dashboard agent. Maybe we'll find something here. Um, do you find anything? Okay, got the answer. Okay, yeah, I think it's picked up. Let me scroll, buddy. Let me scroll up. Okay, that's good. Um, WAPI supports a variety of file types for creating knowledge bases. Okay, so I was right that enhances your voice AI assistant supported file formats, uploading files to WAPI in your WAPI dashboard. Select the file support, knowledge base integration using files with query tools, practical applications. Okay, let's just directly use this. Let's we'll see what happens. Yes, and let's get rid of this. Okay, let's get rid of this as well. Your Ava in AI voice. Is it Ava? Okay, that's fine. Uh, representing will say your primary purpose is to place an outbound call. Let's just get rid of this. I don't think we even need this. Introduce the role. How do we give like placeholders? Um, system variables. How do we define system variables? How to define system variables while creating a page and assistant in dashboard. Let's see. Okay. Meanwhile, let's go here. Do not assume any private knowledge beyond the runtime when of the call. Caller asks for confidential complete details. Okay. This is we need to change this and this if we do not have a way to provide. Uh, okay, I think we have got something. Oops. Yeah, there you go. Okay. WAPI allows you to personalize your assistant's messages using dynamic variables, add variables to your system prompt like this. Okay. I think it's putting it in the wrong way, but that's fine. For example, a system prompt for company name goal is to help this. Set default values not available in dashboard. You cannot directly set very variable values in the dashboard using variables in a phone call. Okay, that's fine. Default variables. Now date, time, 1 day. Okay, these are the default. Oh, customer number. These are the default variables already available. Uh, okay, this is good. This was helpful. Let's get to fine tune our prompt for the recruit. Okay, let's say this. Uh, role. What role we are hiding for? Sales expert, we can say. Yeah, be good. Oh, we can say tech sales expert. May I speak with candidate name? Okay. Let's even get rid of name. Don't want candidate name. Let's get rid of this. Just want to keep things simple. Okay, I can get the candidate name if the candidate is able to answer. Uh, Nope, it's not helping me out. Its laptop is freezing. Amul Rajput's I'm a data science student, so to clear my interview, which app will help me the most? Again, Amul Rajput, what do you mean by what kind of help do you need from the app? Like, do you want kind of a study buddy uh, or you want to kind of cheat in your interview? Just be clear. I'm calling from company from Builds AI about the sales expert role. So and just one more thing, if you are not able to see this properly, you can always go to YouTube at Sing on Ecstasy. You'll be able to uh, watch this live stream there properly. It's just not meant for Instagram. It's just that I just wanted to do it even on Instagram, but it's better if you just go on YouTube or maybe uh, LinkedIn or uh, Twitter. You'll have a better visibility there. This call will be recorded for recruitment purposes. Rap, thank you. Recruiter will review this and will reach out to you via email or SMS. Is there anything else you would like to add? Final notes for the agent. Okay, I can get rid of this. Can get rid of this. Uh, Now what's there? Candidate name. I need the candidate name. Okay, and is there any other placeholder available? Okay, need to change this. Builds AI regarding the. I just changed it. No, might be another example. Sales expert. I'll say tech sales expert. For the tech sales expert role at Builds AI. Okay, what else? This is relevant to. Okay, tech sales expert role. Why are you interested in this role at Builds AI? Anything else still available? Okay, recruiter name. A recruiter. I just don't write the name. A recruiter will review. And do you mean there's a lot of questions? I don't know. Let's just give it a try. Okay. Um, Okay, we are good. I think we have got rid of this, and these are just the JSON outputs. So expected base is repeat the number. Okay. Let's just update it really quick. Okay. Uh, First message. We need to give the first message there. So what I'll do this. Okay. Oops. Uh, Okay. So I've given the same first message here. Uh, this is how many times we have mentioned Java? I'll just it's not more. It's not much. Let's get rid of it. Let's say Jamie. I don't want AI to hallucinate. Nope. Hanging. Java space. Jamie. And is there any other Java? So let's go. Let's go. Okay. Is there any other Java? No. Yeah. Good. Okay. Let's give the job role here only. Tech sales expert. Uh, let's just quickly close few things. It's just a laptop is not helping me today as well. Let's just quickly close few tabs to figure out. Uh, no. Okay. Tech sales expert. I don't know what's happening. Role JD. And there's something to do with Vapi, I think. Just I'm not able to even type anything. Just freezing over there. Not JS, it's JD. Amol Rajput, you are saying that you want to cheat in your interview. Buddy, I can't just help you. I won't endorse cheating um, to clear any interviews. And if you want AI to help you to study about your role, go to Gemini or OpenAI. There is this study buddy kind of thing where you can kind of um, study about that particular topic. It's really good. I did try it like few weeks back, and then um, even if like you can even go to there's this another tool by the name of roadmap.sh. Roadmap.sh. Let's see if it's the one. Yeah, so there is this developer roadmaps, and I can see you are a data scientist. I'm pretty sure they should have something related to that data science. No, yeah, AI and data scientist. So it will give you a really cool roadmap from where you can like ki- kind of um, use it as your roadmap to understand things end to end. There's this AI tutor as well. It's just pretty cool. I just tried roadmap.sh in the past, so it's pretty good. Otherwise, you can. I assume, I hope it is still there. Let me see. Is Do they have study buddy? Yeah, study and learn. They have the study on um, kind of agent and can help you explain a topic. So I think it's pretty cool. You don't even need to cheat, buddy. You just need to uh, study hard, understand the concepts. Otherwise, you would be required to cheat in your role as well. That won't be a good place to be in. Okay, right. JD for Write a JD for um, tech sales role, tech sales expert role. Yeah, let it write about the JD. It's around 40 minutes now, and just just after 1 hour, this live stream will be automatically stopped on Instagram. I just want you to, if you want to continue watching, you can just uh, go to my YouTube. Okay, this is the JD. Um, let's get rid of this location, kind of um, hybrid uh, for our office in Toronto. Sales team reports to the director, and it is a full-time role. About the role, key responsibilities, that's good, that's fine. Required qualifications, let's just do it. How to apply. Okay, let's just get rid of this thing and quickly update it. A pretty huge system prompt, but that's fine. Voice configuration, then additional configuration. Background sound, you are, oh no, not that. To predefine custom function summary, success evaluation. What is this? Kind of we can define a rubric, I think. You will be given a transcript of a call. Okay, no, we don't want to do that. Should determine the call was successful based on the objective. No, let's not care about the complexities yet. Extract structured data from call. You can use the data schema standalone. Yeah, we would need test. Okay, let's just how do we test this or like talk to assistant, chat, test code. You won't be able to listen if I do it here. Publish. Let's publish this. Okay, these are the changes I did. Okay, yeah. Next. Okay, so it is suggesting a structured output for this. Let's see. We provided the JSON schema uh, inside the system prompt. Let's see whether customer data was verified correctly, confirmation that privacy measures, information that next steps were communicated, whether customer is shown sign of what's this? Automatically extract structured data from conversation using JSON schema, capture customer details, appointments, orders, and more. Okay, so we need to capture that JSON. We have yeah, transcript URL. We don't need all of this, but let's just kind of use it. Oh no, okay. We need to upload the JSON file. I was just kind of trying to copy paste. Meanwhile, let's just see what they have to say in the documentation. Okay, I want it to be in downloads. Okay, let's do it. Oh, it's just that I thought I opened the documentation, but that's fine. Oh yeah, I can't even upload it here. Okay, so I'll just create a structured output here. Mhm. Let's create from scratch. Purpose, Boolean, array, object, test with existing code. I can just create this later. I don't want to do that. I just want to get things going for now. We'll do it later. Select a scorecard to attach. That's fine. Yeah, I think this is helpful when we are doing AI interviews. I just want to get things going. Just want to test it. I want to just see the magic. Um, talk to assistant. Let's see. I won't be able to listen to it. What should I do? I'll stop my screen sharing and I'll try to share the tab or the window. Yeah, let's try to share the window. Okay. Exiting meeting because room was deleted. What happened? Let's click on it again. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Yeah, you can just read the transcript. My full name is Jashanpreet Singh, and you can call me JP. Yeah. Yes, I do hold a permanent residency in Canada, and yeah, I live in Toronto, so yeah, I'm pretty much available to work. I I can start this Monday. Yes, I am currently working as a sales expert with Scotiabank. I'm a software engineer, and um, I just wanted to try sales, and luckily I got into Scotia, and yeah, just I just learned by chance, and then I'm doing a lot of tech sales there. I have a lot of experience. I've been doing this for 5 years now. Let's let's try to give a bad interview. That is correct. Yes. No, what is CRM? Yeah, that's good. It's just cool. It's just a cool company to work in. My total target should be around 200K. Like I just ended the call. It's taking too long. I'll just mention that keep the call short and the reason this call is still active. Details will open automatically when it completes. The call is completed, buddy. Okay, there is the transcription, logs, analysis, structured output, messages, call cost, latency summary. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to make sure the call is not this longer. Um, Make sure the call is no longer than 3 minutes. Quickly grasp the important points in 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, you can see 3 to 5 minutes. That's fine. And now let's actually figure out our structured output thing. Mm, Years experience, preferred work model, consent guaranteed, salary expectation. Let's see what's this. I just want the final score. I don't want anything else. Mm, do they have anything related to interview? Screening? No. Let's build from scratch. Uh, what was the JSON about? Candidate name, mobile. Let's say interview summary. Hmm. What is the purpose of this structure output? Okay. This output will be used to analyze the performance of in the candidate in the screening interview. Okay. Type of output. Boolean, string, number, integer, array, integer. What's the kind of output we are getting? So I can say it's just an array, I would say. Or do you want to object? It's one and the same thing, I would say. Let's keep it uh, object. Candidate name should be string required. Okay, it's just a name of the candidate. Add property. Let's say we want name. Let's get the summary bullets. That's it. You can say interview summary, short 1 2 sentence summary of the interview. Let's do it. And available to work availability. Is the person available to work full time? And let's keep it Boolean. Let's just hope it works in the way We are understanding this. Mm, Test with existing code. Yeah, we can test this with existing code, of course. Uh, okay, let's close out from here. Where is the previous call? Analysis. Mm, Let's see if it is in analysis. No, not call logs. Yeah, there you go. Mm, do they have the ID? Yeah, it's there. This is the call ID. I'll just put it here to understand. Okay, preview. Name, interview summary, result, candidate name. So, okay, I'll pick the candidate name, interview summary, JPS 5 years experience, work availability true. Okay, also add that. Move. Uh, interview candidate. This should be a boolean. As per the call, decide should decide should we call this candidate for the interview. Okay, let's preview it again. And then just we can just quickly get away with this. Okay, interview candidate true. Yeah, we just need to fine tune our uh, thing. So it's Jamie, right? We need to attach it with Jamie and linked workflows. No, we don't want any workflows. Save. Okay. We have created this. It's attached to an assistant. Let's go back, kind of publish it. No? What? Okay, model. What's this? I think it deleted what I wrote the last time. No, no problem. I'll keep the call quick, 3 to 5 minutes, and make sure to collect required information within that time frame. Let's do it. Publish. Next. Uh, Structure output is attached. What's up with this? Okay, let's see. Let's just get rid of this. It is linked to Jammy, and let's see what Jammy is doing here. Is this Jammy? Yeah. Mm, that's fine. Publish. Okay. It is Jammy. So we are good, I think. I don't know why it's not picking that up, but let's just test. What's the test button? Okay, these are the test cases. Okay. Let's talk to an assistant, but I just want to make sure that you guys can listen to me. You guys can listen to the voice of this web video knowledge. Okay, let's still try it out. You can just read the transcript for now. Yes, yes, of course. You can call me JP. Yes, I can work in Canada without sponsorship, and I'm in Toronto on the East Coast. I'm not. I have a notice period of 1 week, so I'll be available starting next Monday. Yeah. Yep. I'm sales expert at XYZ company. Yeah, I mean, I have been doing tech sales for 1 year now, and I was a software engineer, but now I got into sales and all that stuff. So, um, yep, I'm just applying for this role. Yeah. It's just 1 year. I have just 1 year of experience. No, no, I don't know. I don't know how to use a CRM. I just want to make money. That's why. I'll say 200K total target compensation. No, I want to work fully remote. Yeah, yeah. Generally, I'm available. Yeah, I'm just want to understand more about the role. Can you tell me more about the role, about this role? Awesome. Thank you so much. Via email. Thanks. I think there is this some issue with the agent. It's just uh, repeating the information over here. Oh, okay. I got it. So we have entered this thing here, right? The JSON output. We should not do that here. Okay, that's good. In this here, because the structured output is meant for this. This is funny. It is telling me all the output of this call to me only. This is crazy. Okay, I'll end the call. Okay, let's do it now. Let's understand what's the structure output we got. View call logs. Still in progress. Let's see what is the kind of. I think the call is still in progress for it. It takes some time to um, kind of produce output from the call logs and all that stuff, but it should be there real soon. Let's let's see how much time we have left. Oops, it's around 1 hour, 1 minute, and I'm assuming the live stream will shortly be uh, it will shortly stop on Instagram. I'm just assuming that because it just Instagram allows just 1 hour of live stream. I just still urge you to go to the YouTube channel Singo on Ecstasy if you want to continue watching me building this Vapi AI agent for interviewing process and and integrating it in make.com. Okay, let's see. Do we have the output of the call yet or not? Oh yeah, there it is. I can see it. Let's quickly close these things. Don't want to mess up. Okay, yeah, there you go. This is the transcript of the call. We have the logs, analysis. A candidate for the tech survey has 1 year of tech survey. JP also explained in learning more about this role success evaluation. Okay, so this is not a success evaluation of the interview. It's just a success evaluation of the call. Was the call successful or not? Um, this is a data extracted based on the conversation. Structure output. Okay, we have got the structure output. Name interview summary. Result candidate name JP. Interview JP has 1 year of tech sales equipment background in software engineering. He's available to start next week and prefers a fully remote job model. Work availability true. Interview candidate true. Okay, so I think we just need to fine tune our agent in a way that we are writing our no brainers like it. This is something that we definitely want in our agent. Um, yeah, I mean, I'll get rid of this. I didn't publish the agent. That's why I think. Okay, let's just quickly publish this. What was there? Okay, now it has picked the interview summary structure output. That's good. Publish. There you go. Okay. So yeah, I mean, um, we can always fine tune our prompts. Let's quickly get into Vapi AI or the make.com. Let's quickly see Instagram live duration limit. What's the limit? Up to 4 hours for most accounts. Some accounts may have shorter limit of 1 hour. Okay. What do they have to say? Uh, yeah, because I read it's 1 hour. Instagram 1 hour. But let's see if we are able to uh, stretch it to more than 1 hour. Then there's nothing more good than this. But yeah, let's quickly go to make.com, and we actually wanted to assign a phone numbers as well. You can import from Twilio. Want to create a free number directly from Vapi for use. Create phone number. Let's create a phone number. Up to 10 per account. Only US area codes are supported. They provide SIP, Twilio, import from Twilio. Let's create a free Vapi number. Uh, let's see if we have something in 346. How's that? Okay, let's create 518. Activating in 2 minutes. Okay, phone number, AIHR. Why do we need a server URL? I don't need it right now. Inbound settings. Call many numbers. You can assign outbound phone numbers that will call back. Let's just kind of just save it. I don't want to. complicate things. And let's quickly log into make.com and let's see what's in the box. Let's see if we have any templates using Vapi that will help us to fast track this. Triggers, actions. No, we don't want trigger. We want just actions. Yeah, we need a create call thing. A lot more. Get file, delete it. Well, what's there in get? Uh, do we have any get? What's that? Structured output. Output. Let's click on all. Let's see, do we have a structured output thing that we saw earlier? Output. Struct. No. Let's see how it integrates with this thing. Um, so let's quickly create a new scenario. It will start. Let's create a form only. Or manually. Can we do manually? Uh, Okay, run once. Yeah, I can just run it once. Then there shouldn't be any problem. Uh, then let's go to their help center, the documentation, manually starting a scenario. Okay, that's fine. Uh, let's create a WAPI. Starts a new call session using an assistant was created, often used to simulate or initiate. Let's see if this helps us create a connection with WAPI. API key. Okay, let's get the API key from Vapi. So I'll quickly move this to another screen. I don't want to show my API keys, but okay, they need the private API key. Yeah, I hope this should be the one. So I just kind of copied this private key from here and save. Let's see if it is able to create a connection successfully. Yes, it is. You do want Jamie to talk. Name. What is this? What should be the name of this? Phone number, AIHR. Hmm, Jamie? Can say Jamie? Uh, okay, AIHR. Customer's number must follow the. I don't want to put the customer number. I want to manually start this workflow, but yes, we can enter the customer's number later. I'll quickly get a virtual number for me. Okay. Yeah, there it is. Okay, that's good. You need to enter the whole number. That's 1 226 289 8868. But I want to enter the form. I don't want to enter it here. There's this AI assist here. Let's quickly get to this. Build your first. Get started with AI automation. No, I think there was this AI feature where I can just ask AI auto align. It is. form as trigger. I'll search it on Google in make.com or set up Google Forms. Okay, so I think like in n8n they have this forms feature. I don't think it's there yet in make.com. They do have this Google Forms integration, but again, I don't want to complicate things. I'll just keep it simple and I just want to quickly get things running. Let's see what templates do they have? App not found, search by template. No, they do not have any workflow. No, they do not have any workflows here. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let's do it. Vapi, this is the phone number I'll get a call on. Conversation update, end of call report, server messages, chat deleted, chat created. Okay, yeah, these are the server messages we'll get. Do we have structured output? Because we actually need that. Let's click this as well. And yes, okay, no. Variable values. These are the values that will be used to replace the template variables in the assistant messages. Okay, there it is. Now we understand that the placeholders that we were using over here that can be populated either using API that was written in their documentation, or uh, it can be mapped through this thing. This is the message that the thing will say the call is forwarded to voicemail and it will hang up. Yeah, no, we don't want to set up voicemail. What's in the advanced settings? That's fine. Save. So how we can actually build is we can connect it with Google Sheets. We can trigger this in the Google Sheets. We'll have the phone numbers of all the candidates and um, the this this scenario, this workflow can go through each and every phone number and can make phone calls and get us the output uh, in form of uh, Google Sheets only. But let's get the JSON. Let's see what do they have. Sorry, Telegram bot. Send a text message or a reply, and let's just we can set up Telegram bot. I had it set up in my previous scenario. I'll just quickly uh, copy it from there. Scenarios, Superbase. Okay, I talked about this scenario, this workflow in my last call. But quickly, let me quickly input the chat ID as this and text as I'll put the structured output. I just need the structured output here. Uh, it's so long. What do I need from here? Hello, how I can help you today. First message. Okay, let's just test the first node. That way, we'll be able to get more clarity on what are the kind of outputs we are getting and what we should map in the text, right? Message thread ID. What should be the thread ID? We can keep it empty. We can just kind of save, but we just need to input text. For now, we can select something dummy. Phone call provider, phone call transport, org ID, transport, artifact plan analysis. There it is, structured data. There you go. Yeah, so we just need the structured data over there. Click on save. And yeah, I'll quickly remove the voice. Just let me know if you can listen to the call or not. I'm doing so much preparations. I'm even not sure if the call will happen, but yeah, let's just run it. The operation failed with an error. Okay, let's see what happened. Free Vapi numbers do not support international calls. Okay. How do I pay for the number? Or how do I get a US number? Mm, do I have a US number with me? I think I can quickly set something up. Mm, nope. I do not have a US phone number. I am in Canada. And how do I, like, can I quickly just pay to Vapi in some way right now? Let's do it. Let's see. Mm, Inbound assistant, outbound assistant. Okay. How do I buy a phone number from Vapi? I want to make international calls. How do I buy the phone number from Vapi? I just wrote this just in case I don't get that. Go to the phone numbers, click buy or buy a phone number, choose the desired air code. Phone number section in the Vapi dashboard. I am there. Uh, create a phone number. So they are giving me just free phone number. I do not have an option to even buy it. Import the links. Okay, what I quickly do is uh, I'll try to buy a phone number. I don't know what's the solution for this. What it's saying is for international customers, you can import your own number from Twilio using the dashboard, entering your Twilio credential, following the prompts. I don't want to do that. Oh, you need to import your own phone number, such as from Twilio, because free Vapi numbers are only available for US national use. International numbers are not free. You can do this in the Vapi dashboard, selecting import. Okay, need to import. No problem. Uh, Let me see if I can quickly buy a US number. US area. Okay, US area codes. Uh, Let's take a US area code from here only. 984. Let's see. Okay, let's get something from, let's say, Florida. Oh, okay, yeah. I mean, we can pick anything. Okay, there you go. And I'll assign this number to me. I'll quickly see if I'm just adding. So I um, use a service for my business phone. I'm just buying a US phone number there, just for the sake of this testing. And uh, okay, I think there it is. Let me quickly see if I can access that phone number here. Yeah, yeah, I can see it well. Okay, so let's now test it over there in meet.com. I'll click on edit. I'll add my number over there. It's 415-818-9640. Okay, save. Let's run it once. And I'm hoping it's on standard. Oh, no. Open. but it just failed to send to Telegram. That's fine. Hello? Hmm. Yes, of course. Yes. I'm JP. I'm from I'm from Toronto, the East Coast, and you were asking something else. Mm. Yes, I am currently authorized. I do hold a permanent residency here. I can start instantly. No, I'm not comfortable sharing that. I'm a software engineer, so I do not have any experience in tech sales, but I just want to give it a try. You can say like 7 years now. Not really, but I'm a fast-paced learner. It's just I looked at this opportunity and it looked cool to me. That's why. Can you share the budget of the role? Sure. No, no, nope. Yes, yes. I'm available any day. Nope, I'm good. Nope, I'm good. By an email. Email. It's on my file. It's on the resume. And take care of that from my resume. Thanks. You too. Oh, I didn't call, ended the call. But yeah, it was pretty cool. I showed the kind of negative interest or kind of uh, bad interview, but it was able to handle it well. Um, I don't know what happened with this Telegram bot. There might be some issue with this, or I think it immediately moved to this step. There should be a way to kind of wait for it to end the call, no? Create call, and then there should be something to wait for it to end the call. let's see what we have got inside this in the dashboard. Let's see. Should be in the call logs. Okay. Yeah, should be in the call logs. And no, it's not for, we don't want for relay. We want it for Jamie. Okay. 4.5, yeah. This is the one. Call is in progress. So it is still processing it. Meanwhile, mm, let's go to the Vapi's documentation for make.com. Cancellation was turned off. So Sylvia is saying, can you turn off noise cancellation? It was turned off. I don't know why. Yeah, you were still not able to hear it. Um, I don't know. That's fine. I think this is something related to this MacBook and earphones and its voice cancellation stuff. But that's fine. Uh, if you have any ideas, Sylvia, just type it down here. Because I'm not sure. I just uh, I clicked on this standard and then I moved the uh, audio to MacBook speakers as well. So, or maybe let's. I can use my mobile's microphone, but that's fine. I will again do the demo. Let's quickly fix the issue of going to this. We want to understand. There's not a lot of documentation here. It's just let's see. Okay, obtain API key, create the connection, listeners, watch tool, call request. Okay, so there should be a listener to wait for the call to end. Create an outbound phone call. Okay. Respond to a tool call, make an API call, create call, watch tool call request. Okay, let's understand more about listeners. Okay, is that it? Is that it? They do not have anything else. What is this? Let's quickly Google Vapi. The role of tools in agentic system, difficulties, options, original webhook method, and have a webhook, get balance sheet report. Do they talk about Vapi here anywhere? Nope. Okay, let's quickly ask ChatGPT. Uh, I am using make.com to create a Vapi.AI voice agent workflow. I want the trigger to start the call and then want the output in terms of uh, structured output. I want the output to be sent to Telegram in terms of for the text in structured output. Okay, this is good. And now I currently have two nodes. Number one is make a call because that's the ones. Let's see. Yeah, create call. And then Another one is send a message to Telegram. Currently, when I trigger the workflow or scenario, we can say, when I trigger the scenario, mm, I get a call on the number, but instantly, instantly, the next step of sending message to Telegram executes, which gives an error because call is not yet finished, or you can say concluded, and there is nothing in the structured output. Help me fix this issue. Let's see. Let's see. I think this should be something related to watch tool. Let's add something here. Let's see there. Add another module. Okay, so this is module and a module. Let's see Vapi. What do we have in Vapi? List calls, create an outbound, create call, get call, delete, update, list assistants, get assistant, create, delete, update, list tools, create tool, update tool, get tool, spawn workflow, sets file only squares, list all. What are squares in Vapi? What are squares in Vapi? Squares enable calls to transfer assistants mid conversation. Okay, kind of that thing. Webhooks sends a message from the Vapi server to the client app, often used to trigger UI changes or sync data. That's good. Upload file, list file, make an API call. Let's see what AI has to say. Use Vapi end of call webhook, make webhook to Telegram. Okay, I got it. So the saying is uh, just keep single node in here, delete module. Just keep a single node. Can I detach it here? Unlink? Yeah. Just keep a single node and add a webhook response here. I can do that. And body, I just want to send structured data. I just want to send this. That's it. Okay, I got it. So I'll create a webhook response here, and then I'll create another scenario just to kind of uh, it's not a trick. I would say that's what it should be. I think so. Yeah. Unless we create workflows in Vapi. Okay. And then I'll can I define this as trigger? Nope, not. Okay. Can I add another module here? Can I have a webhook? Custom webhook triggers when a webhook receives data. Okay, let's create a webhook. Let's try the creating single workflow. Mm, okay. Okay, we don't want to send any API key. Save. Okay. Now what I'll do is I will. No, but even if we create a webhook, I don't know even if it will work in that way. It may create a new scenario because trigger is custom webhook. Call this make webhook URL. Make scenario after the workflow, add root filter, router filter, telegram, connect the root branch. Just make the telegram send only the call actually ends and the structure extraction is available. Calling the call endpoint from make. I don't want to do that. Open your assistant settings, assistant hooks, and add a hook for the call ended and call report event. Okay. Let's see. I think we need to do something in Vapi only. No problem. Let's go to our assistant Jamie And let's see. It's saying that we need to go to assistant hooks. Let's see if they have hooks. I doubt. Nope. Maybe in advanced. Okay. Events. Do we have events in here? Nope. Let's quickly go to Vapi documentation and see if we have anything there. Uh, do we have any for call ended? Call ending event is specifically designed to trigger. Can't even scroll up. That's fine. Okay. Call ringing hooks. Let's do it. You can configure a hook that triggers on the call ending event to perform various actions such as transferring calls, running custom. This is particularly useful handling. Let's see. How do we turn on assistant hooks? Call ending, how hooks work, on action types, transfer on pipeline error, also transfer to SIP destination, combine actions on pipeline error. Okay. Handle speech, common use like webhook on call page, generators like webhook. Okay. Configure the assistant hook. Okay. Assistant hooks. How to use assistant hooks on Vapi dashboard. Let's do it. Okay. Okay, so the documentation doesn't specifically mention how to configure hooks through the Vapi dashboard. Navigate to assistant in the Vapi looks for hooks configuration section in your assistant settings. It's not there. I mean, I think it's just guessing things. AI is guessing things out. But let's see if we have anything. Otherwise, we'll think of something else. Widget activated structured outputs. We have enabled outputs. That's good. Messaging keyword, call timeout settings, stop speaking plan, voicemail detection. I don't think there is. What was the word? If they're saying hooks, okay. No, there's nothing known as hooks in here. Let's go to advanced. Let's search for hooks here. Nope. And, okay. Let's see if they have anything here. Workflows, outbound files, integrations, structured outputs. Nope. Let's see what they have in workflows. Okay, let's see. I want to create a blank workflow. That's fine. Send to webhook. Maybe. Let's see. Okay. First message. You are helpful assistant. Okay. This is the start node. I don't want to start it manually. I just want to trigger it on end call. If the user said yes, end call. Funny. What's this? Not type conversation, end call. Okay. If the call is ended, enter the message button before ending the call. Okay. Let's just delete it. Nope. How do I delete this? That's fine. This is the start node and add a node API request. Okay. Tool name request here. The endpoint URL where the API request will be sent must use HTTPS. How do I connect this? No, I think workflows are not going to work for us here because we want to listen to the event uh, that is the end code. How to listen to end call event in Vapi workflows. Let's see if they have any solution there. Otherwise, we'll just get rid of it. Let's let's see if let's see any example workflow customer satisfaction survey. Start. We are conducting a brief declines. Nope. Appointment scheduler. Conversation start. Too busy right now. This is a global node. We can define a global node, but I want a node which listens to the end call. Once that call is ended, it will call my webhook on make.com. Pretty straightforward. I don't think they have that sort of nodes here. Let's see what has been here. You can listen to call and events using assistant hooks. Assistant hooks for call and events. Basic hook configuration. Let's see if I mean they are continuously saying that we need to use hooks. So I'm pretty sure that this workflows is not going to work. Pretty sure. Let's go to assistant hooks only. Let's see if we can create an assistant hook on make.com. Uh, Once the call is created, let's add a module and let's see we have a hook in Vapi. Vapi hook. Nope. Vapi. List call, create and beta. Create an outbound phone call, create a call, get call. Retrieves a call's metadata, including transcript, participations, and timestamps. Okay, we can get the data of the call, but I want to listen to it. Like not really listen, but I need to have a listener for this thing. List tools, create tools. Okay, we think about it. Creates a call and we create a custom webhook which can listen to the data. That's fine. That is good. Um, but I want to have a way to listen to the call end. Not able to find anything relevant here. Let's see. It is saying create an assistant hook, add a hook call ended, was the Vapi.AI wants an event type, choose end of call and call report or call ended. Let's see what's the reference they have given. Call ending when a call is ending. How hooks work. The event that triggers the hook. Okay. The call and retrieval transfer on pipeline. Transfer a call to fallback number if a pipeline error occurs. Okay. You can also transfer to SIP, combine actions on pipeline error. I don't want to do that. Slack webhook on call failure. Create a serverless function. Okay. Yeah, I think that they are not supporting it to do it on the dashboard. Pretty much that's straightforward. Configure the assistant hook. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Um, I'll um, I'll just leave it here, and what I'll do is again I'll help I'll just test it again in front of you guys. I just want to make sure you guys can listen to me. And there is this there. I just hope now this time you're able to listen to me. And I'll also change my microphone to the laptop's microphone. Okay. I just hope you're able to see, you're able to hear me well this time. Let's quickly make a call. And oh yeah, I just want to, I just want to delete this, move this here. Telegram, we don't really need that. It won't even work, but that's fine. Webhook is not configured. That's fine. We just want to test this part. Run once. What's that? Oh no, I'll just delete this. Okay, there you go. Run once. Nope. What happened? Yeah. Telegram bot failed. Getting a call.
Permission to proceed?
Sorry.
Hello, I'm Jamie calling from Build. Hello, this is Jamie calling from Vapi.AI about the tech sales expert position. This call will be recorded for recruitment purposes. Do I have your permission to proceed?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. I'll be brief. I'm calling to do a short pre-screen for the tech sales expert role at Vapi.AI. This will take about 6 minutes. Is now a good time?
Yes, of course.
Great, thank you. Let's start by confirming some basic details. Could you please tell me your full name and preferred name?
I'm Jashanpreet Singh, and you can just call me JP.
Thank you, JP. Moving on, can you confirm your current location and time zone? Also, are you authorized to work in Canada without sponsorship?
Yes, I do hold.
JP?
Yes, I do
Could
hold
you-
a permanent residency in
Thank you.
Canada, and yes, I'm eligible to work. I'm available to work full time.
Got it, JP. Thank you for clarifying. Could you confirm your current notice period or your earliest possible start date?
I can start as early as this Monday.
Thank you for sharing that, JP. Can I confirm your current job title and current employer, or do you prefer not to disclose?
No, I'm not comfortable sharing that.
No problem at all, JP. Let's move forward. Can you briefly walk me through your most recent role and how it relates to the tech sales expert position here at Vapi.AI?
I'm a software engineer, and I do not have any experience in tech sales. I have experience in tech, but not in sales.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing that, JP. How many years of experience do you have in the tech industry overall?
Around 7 years now.
Thank you, JP. Moving on, can you talk a bit about some of the core technical skills and technologies you've worked with in your current or previous roles?
I work with. I'm a really good Java developer. I'm a full stack developer.
Got it, JP. Thank you for sharing that. Now, could you briefly describe your familiarity with a product or technology from start to finish in your role as a software engineer?
Isn't this a call for the sales interview?
Oh, yes, great question, JP. This is a pre-screen for the tech sales expert role at Vapi.AI. We're just checking for transferable experience or interest. While you're currently in engineering, some candidates move into technical sales roles from engineering backgrounds, especially those comfortable explaining products or working with clients. With that in mind, are you interested in transitioning into a tech sales role? If yes, what's motivating that shift?
Yes,
Great, JP.
I really want to move to the tech sales.
Thanks for sharing that, JP. What specifically interests you about a tech sales role at Vapi.AI or in general? In general, it's about the amount of commissions you can make. There's no fixed salary. You can kind of pretty much uh, on the amount of efforts you put. Thank you, JP. That's an interesting perspective. Can you also share your compensation expectations for this role, whether it's base or total target? What's the budget of the role? Thanks, JP. I'm not able to discuss exact compensation figures on this call, but the recruiter will share full details in the next step. Awesome. You're welcome to share your expected range instead if you're comfortable. Nope, I'm not. That's perfectly fine. JP, let's move on to your preferred work model. Would you prefer to work on-site, hybrid, or remote? And how flexible are you with that arrangement? I'll prefer to work remote, like fully remote, and I'm not at all flexible with that. Thank you for clarifying. JP, are you available for a 45 to 60-minute interview on weekdays? Yes. Any specific days or times you can't do? Any days, any day, 9 to 5. Great. Are there any constraints like relocation or non-competes that we should be aware of? Nope. Perfect, JP. Thank you for all the information. Is there any additional questions or comments you'd like to mention for the recruiter? Nope, and I'm you good. Prefer to be contacted by? Yeah, I'll prefer to be contacted by email. Great, I'll note that down. Thank you for your time, JP. A recruiter will review this and reach out to you via email. We'll be in touch soon. Thanks. Have a great day. You too. Bye. Let's see if. Goodbye, JP. Take care. You too. Final call summary for recruiter. He's still giving me the call summary, but that's fine. I'll quickly move things.
Okay, there you go. Yeah, so I mean, it was a great exercise we did for about 2 hours this morning. It's 7:40 already, and we are able to create a really great uh, assistant. And of course, there's always a scope to kind of improve this prompt. And the one thing I learned is we can just kind of create the workflows here. We might not even need to use make.com. We can just kind of have a workflow here and kind of attach the workflow to that phone number. We are good. I mean, I still prefer to use make.com or anytime because it's so much powerful. You might not be able to do everything in these workflows, but worth trying. And go guys, take a look at Vapi.AI or make.com anytime. Go watch my previous live stream. It is live on YouTube and um, like Instagram and everywhere. Um, yeah, thank you so much, and make sure to follow me. And let's let's meet again tomorrow. Thank you so much. You have a good day. Bye bye.